This horrible Artex ceiling needed fixing, and I did it using just filler. No plastering at all. We are using Easyfill 60 filler. We will start by mixing the filler. We want the consistency to be not too thick and not too runny either. This is the ceiling we are working with. Let's start by applying the filler. I'm using normal decorator's knife. I'm using prep blade. It's not too expensive and it flats. Everything without you needing plastering skills. Once it's dried, we will sand any rough patches. I'm using disc sander for this, and two, a 40 grit sanding disc. Sanding is done. Time to paint it. And it's all done.